Today I spent $21,000 on microphones. Yes, 10 of them. My accountant is crying, my wife's packing her bags. But hey, priorities, right? Okay, fine. It's actually just one mic, but this one mic sounds like 10, which basically means I just saved $19,000. See? Financial genius. So while waiting for my stroke of genius to arrive, I did what every responsible adult does: procrastinate. I started the kettle, reflected on my career, and Googled a very important question: how to explain saving $19,000 to my wife. There it is, the Chandler TG microphone. Carrying it inside, I realized I didn't buy a mic. I bought a mic locker disguised as my mic. Welcome to unboxing, where I pretend bubble wrap is exciting. Oh look, cardboard. And then the star of the show, the Chandler TG mic. 2 tones, 5 EQ settings, which means 10 different flavors. It's basically Baskin Robbins, except instead of ice cream, it's microphone. Instead of calories, it's savings. Before buying this, I actually had the opportunity to demo 2 world-class mics, the Chandler RED and the Chandler TG. I kept both of them for 2 weeks, recorded my vocals on each, same room, same chain, same voice. Then I sent the samples to my engineer without telling him which mic was which. And every single time he picked the TG. Not because Red isn't great, actually it's an incredible mic, but for my voice texture, the TG just sat better, especially when combined with the Neve preamp that I have. And here's the kicker, the Red costs literally twice as much as the TG, twice, and yet the one we kept is this. Why? Because the TG didn't just sound better, it gave us flexibility, A/B tone circuits, built-in tape EQs, and just the right character for my vocals. So yeah, technically I could have flexed the Red on Instagram, but instead I actually made a smarter choice. This thing is inspired by the EMI TG 12410 transfer consoles at Abbey Road Studios. The same consoles used by the Beatles, Pink Floyd, and basically every band your dad brags about. So every time I record, it's like running my voice through Abbey Road. It's got A/B dual voice system. Circuit A is smooth, vintage and warm. Circuit B is slightly modern, bright and aggressive. People say it's like a mashup of Neumann U47 and the FET47, which is amazing because instead of selling both kidneys to afford them separately, I just need one mic, one kidney saved. Smart move, don't you agree? And then the EQ. 5 built-in tape EQ curves, no plugins, no extra gear. Just flip the switch and suddenly your bedroom sounds like Abbey Road. Or at least a slightly cleaner bedroom. Unlike your average mic that runs on 48 volts phantom power, the TG runs on 50 volts. Not 48, not 49, around satisfying 50. That extra 2 volts, oh, I feel it, not in the sound, in my soul. And that's when you know you've made the right investment. So this is the Chandler TG microphone. 10 personalities in one. Was it worth it? Absolutely. Do I regret it? Yes. Would I do it again? In a heartbeat. Subscribe before I start saving even more money by spending it.